Introducing the LIFKOME Mini Gift Bags Portable Transparent Cake Carrier with Handle. This incredible product is a must-have for anyone who loves baking and wants to showcase their delicious creations. With its durable material, this cake storage container offers not only protection for your cakes but is also completely safe for food. The reusable design ensures that you can use it for a long time, making it a sustainable choice. You'll love the size and color options of this cake holder with a lid. It measures approximately 25.50 by 25.50 by 12.00 centimeters, 10.02 by 10.02 by 4.72 inches, making it perfect for fitting an 8-inch cake. Plus, there are multiple colors available for you to choose from, allowing you to match it with any party theme or personal preference. One of the standout features of this cake carrier is its transparent design. The elegantly designed clear cover allows you to show off your beautiful cake while still keeping it protected from outside elements. The handle design adds to its portability, making it easy to transport your cake to any event or party. The wide application of this cake carrier makes it incredibly versatile. Not only can you use it to pack and transport your birthday cake, but it can also be used for pies and pizzas. Imagine bringing a perfectly baked pizza to a picnic or surprising a friend with a homemade pie. The possibilities are endless. In terms of practicality, this cake carrier truly shines. It features 2 sturdy snaps that securely lock the lid in place, ensuring that your cake stays safe during transportation. No need to worry about holding the bottom or dealing with spills. It also provides airtight storage, keeping your cakes fresh for longer. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US. If you are planning to use it internationally, you may need an adapter or converter due to varying outlets and voltages. It's important to check compatibility before purchasing. The LIFKOME Mini Gift Bags Portable Transparent Cake Carrier with Handle is made with premium plastic and is built to last. Its dimensions are approximately 10.63 by 10.63 by 4.72 inches, and it weighs only 9.7 ounces, ensuring a lightweight and convenient carrying experience. Manufactured by LIFKOME, a trusted brand in quality kitchen products. Don't miss out on this fantastic cake carrier that combines functionality, durability, and style. Order yours today and elevate your baking game.